Okay, so today we have the Spigen Align Master glass screen protector which works for both the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro since they have the same screen size and the same notch. Of course, the installation method shown in this video is applicable for every iPhone 13 model including the smaller iPhone 13 mini and the larger iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the box that the screen protector comes in. As we pull the contents out of the box, we have an installation frame which is attached to the iPhone to make sure that the alignment is perfect. Then we have this small plastic bag which contains 2 lens and screen cleaning wipes, a handy microfiber cloth, 2 sets of dust removal stickers and a little guide which shows how to remove air bubbles with the included squeegee tool. Let's keep all of this to the side, and as we take this lid off, we have this piece of paper which has Spigen's contact details and a step-by-step guide on the back. The installation process is fairly simple and the guide shows just that. We get 2 sets of screen protectors in the box, so Spigen's got your back in case you mess up the installation the first time. Now, there are 2 kinds of screen protectors. The one that I have here is a full coverage one which covers the entire screen of the phone including the notch. There is a second kind which has a cutout for the notch. I'll link them both down below in the description. Before you start the actual installation process, we have to take care of a few essential things. Make sure that you're in a well-lit environment. Wash your hands thoroughly so that there are no dust particles on them as it could ruin the installation. If you have a case installed on your phone, make sure to take it off before we start the actual process. And now for the installation. We start off with the screen wipe. Take it out and start wiping the screen. Do remember that this could take some time, so you have to be patient. Even a single dirt particle could make the whole process unnecessarily complicated, so it is ideal if you don't get any in the first place. One tip that I would like to share with you is to always wipe in the same direction. It has always helped me clean the screen more efficiently. After you're done wiping with the screen wipe, the glass on the screen should be a bit moist. Take the included microfiber cloth and repeat the same wiping process, drying the glass as you do it. Remember, take as much time as you want, but make sure that you clean it to the best of your abilities. Do not get impatient. After you've wiped it clean, take the installation frame and attach it to the front of the phone. It will be a very snug, confidence-inspiring fit. Next, take the screen protector and remove the layer of the plastic on the back so that the adhesive is exposed. Once you've done that, slowly fit the display into the installation frame starting from the top and slowly making your way to the bottom. Remember, all these components are designed to fit each other, so again, the glass protector will align perfectly with the installation frame. Then, press the glass down on the screen and move it along the arrow. Give it a moment to stick. After that, proceed to gently remove the sticker from the top and then the installation frame. As you can see, I had some issues with the bottom right part of my frame, but that is not something that would ruin our installation process. You might be having some air bubbles under the screen guard. As you can see, that is completely normal. Simply take the included squeegee tool and firmly push the air bubbles off the edge. Again, this could take multiple attempts, so the key is to stay patient and keep trying. Once you're done with that, take the microfiber cloth and wipe the screen protector clean. Look at the display carefully under proper lighting to check if you have any dust particles stuck under the glass protector. I did not have any, but in case you do, just lift the screen protector off slightly and insert the included dust removal sticker to catch the dirt particle and quickly pull it out. Make sure to check out the phone in different angles of lighting to ensure that you did not miss any small air bubbles or stuck dust particles. And we are done. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, do remember to like, share and subscribe. This has been Rohan from TechieTechTech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.